Yeah, I've been a chef for 27 years. I trained initially in Llandrillo College, moved down to Brighton for a couple of years, but then moved back up here to get married, and I've stayed in Denbighshire ever since, working in various restaurants in Denbighshire. Worked in Port Meirion for a while, over in Porthmadog. Worked in the Chester Grosvenor for a short time, mostly restaurants in the Vale of Clwyd. So I've got a good idea of what the people around the area like to eat, and hopefully I'll be bringing that to 1891. Working with Rydym's been great. Obviously he's a well-known Welsh chef. I've learned a lot from him. He's got his restaurant in London as well, so I've learned all sorts of little tricks and ideas. I'm not going to be stealing any of his dishes, but I've learned lots from him, and I'm looking forward to bringing that to 1891 as well. I'm really excited because I've been watching the regeneration of Rhyl going on, and it's coming on in leaps and bounds. I'm really looking forward to be part of that. Well, I've seen the pictures of how it's going to look, and it's going to look fantastic. It's going to be a great place to come and have a meal. It's going to be a great place to relax in the bar, with views all the way down the coast of North Wales to Llandudno, especially at night. It's going to be spectacular, so it's going to be a great place to come to. Well, I think we're going to try and cover all bases when it comes to the restaurant. We've got the people who come to the theatre, so we're going to have a nice theatre menu people can eat before they go in. Not too much carbohydrates in there because we don't want them falling asleep while they're watching the show. We'll do a family menu, especially with panto season coming up. Lots of things to keep the kids happy and entertained at the table as well. But a nice restaurant menu for people who just want to come in and have a nice restaurant meal, enjoy the view looking out over the North Wales coast. Yeah, it's great to keep the money in the local economy, keep local businesses busy, and as I hope we're going to be busy as well, and people will appreciate the fact that we use local businesses, and the food's fresh. It's maybe half an hour down the road at the most, so it's going to be great food. I'd like to keep things as local as possible. I'd like to buy, hopefully within 30 miles of Rhyl, most of the stuff. If not North Wales, if not Wales as a whole, I'd like to keep it Welsh. I'd like to bring some ideas about Rhyl into some of the names of the dishes will be named after places in Rhyl. There'll be seaside influences, there'll be theatre influences because we're in the theatre, so quite an exciting menu. Hopefully people will enjoy it. Well, the restaurant opens in December, so hopefully it gives people plenty of time to get their bookings in, because we'd like to see everybody from the local area come along. It'd be great to see people come in and enjoy the food and spread the word.